So now let's move on to biological nomenclature. Now, if you look at this cat, I mean, if I ask you what is this, you'll obviously say this is cat, right? Now, if you speak in Hindi, you'll tell this is ye to billi hai, right? And if you likewise, if you speak in any other language, you'll give me some various names and all that. In fact, it has like 1,000 names across the world, right? Depending on its breed and all that. Now, to avoid this so many referring to so many names, the scientists devised one common, you know, system of naming. So basically, naming means nomenclature. So that was called the binomial nomenclature. Now, what is this binomial nomenclature? It is the naming. It is a name. Binomial means two, right? So it consists of two words, right? Binomial means two. Now, how it is named and what are the rules pertaining to it, let us see. So here is an example: Mangifera indica. Mangifera indica is the scientific name of mango. It is the scientific name of mango, right? So here you'll notice there are two names here given two names that are present, two words that are present in the name. That is, one is Mangifera and one is indica. So here you can see this second point here. That is the first word that is there here, Mangifera. It indicates the genus, or you can call this a generic name, right? And the second that is there, it is called the specific epithet. This specific epithet basically refers to the species, and generic name refers to the genus. That is, it's a taxonomic hierarchy, right? Now, what are the rules pertaining to it? First, that we'll see here. First, all these names are always derived from Latin. Why Latin only? Latin is a dead language, okay? No one speaks Latin. No country follows Latin as a language. Like France speaks in French, and Italians speak in Italian language, right? So, like this, there's no country follows Latin language. Hence, this was like the best preferred language. And also, coming to the since it is written in it is derived from Latin. To indicate its Latin origin, they have made another rule, that is, if it's written, if it's handwritten, you have to underline it, or when it's printed, it should be in italics. So this is one important rule that is to be followed. And lastly, another rule is that the generic name should start with capital letter, and the second, that is the specific epithet, should start with a small letter. So they might give you like four biological names of the same organism, and in each option, either of this rule would have been violated. So you're supposed to choose the right one, or vice versa. You're supposed to choose the wrong one. So you should see which one violates these rules. Now, lastly, we have two quotes that the and one more thing here. Sometimes to give credit for the scientist who has framed this name from the Latin language, they usually put their name in an abbreviated, that is a short form. Abbreviation means short form, right? So they write it in short form. They don't underline it. They just write it in short form like that, to just give credit to them. And it's this is not in italics, obviously, because this is a scientist's name and not some Latin word, right? And next, as I was telling you, the scientists devised a particular code, a set, all the set of the names, scientific names of plants. They all put that in ICBN, means International Code for Botanical Nomenclature. That means all the plant scientific names will come under this code. And ICZN, which is the same thing, International Code for uh, Zoological zoological nomenclature. That means all the animal scientific name will come under this part, right? So they have devised these codes to keep all the names organized.